Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make cultural proofs. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of empathy and definition. It got the following characteristics. It is a tool used to inspire ideas in a design process. It serves as means of gathering inspirational data on life, values and people, and of course thoughts. That's why it's cultural proofs. This is a like small packages and include any type of artifact such as map, postcard, camera, journal, along with evocating tasks, which are given to the participants to allow them to record events, feelings, or interactions that are specific. The goal is to get inspired response from people in order to better understand their culture, thoughts, and values, and simulate design imagination. This tool is used in the empathy and ideation stages in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so when we talk about cultural groups, it's very interesting because it's information taken from their users. So the users have to be willing to use it and of course to interact with them. So that's very important because before you give them the package, like I mean you have to have a negotiation with them. So when we talk about cultural groups, it's very important to always have an objective. What is the objective of this development? Of course, have the users. Usually, you given them for a day, maybe a week. So the idea is that they can collect all the information of a specific task, but is usually driven by the objective that we have of this development. Of course, time is extremely important, and people they have to receive something in exchange because it won't be short. It will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of commitment from them. So the information came like the best possible way. So yeah, I strongly advise to give something that they like and something that they will be willing to share because if we do it like very random and very fast, it won't be that good. So usually we given a package. This package could have like different things so they can collect as much information as possible. So paper, if they wanna draw something, if they wanna write a specific idea or something they're seeing, that's very good. Post-its as well, very important to have post-its. So if they have want to have a keywords or make a specific drawing or something, that's something very important. Camera as well, so they can take pictures. If you want to give them a pen, also that's good. I recommend to use things that are put your brand on it, so people will remember that they are participant of that, and they can have like a reminder of what they are doing. And of course, you have to have instructions. So you have to develop the instructions. That's very important because when they open the package, that's the first thing that you want to show them, so they can start writing and have all the different things that they have to do. And of course that is directed by the objective that you decide that you want to know or find out. And of course a container. The container is extremely important because it's the packaging when they're gonna get everything together. It could be a tote bag, it could be anything. So the important thing is that everything is put together in the same place. So of course the instructions are extremely important because you will say what you want to find out. Basically you use it in the empathy stage because you want to know more about the user, so they have to have like specific characteristics. And the idea is that they write, take pictures, draw anything that is meaningful that it could be useful for our development. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the collection of the information with cultural proofs or cultural sounds, the information must be analyzed to generate insight that allows to evolve or rethink a project that is being developed. That is extremely important. So when they finish this package, is come back to you and you will analyze all the information. That is extremely important because with that you will develop an insight and you will take decisions about your project. You will say like, okay, we're going the right way. I didn't know this. This is extremely important. In cultural proofs, we usually use groups of 10 people because it's not that easy to convince them to work with you. So that's something to keep in mind. It is essential to customize the tool depending on what you want to understand and who are the people who will participate. So that is extremely important as well. So if the people are willing to collaborate and they will receive something in return, we will have very good possibilities to have a good development of this. However, if the people don't want to do it, don't push it. Otherwise, you will get information that is not precise and people will have something that is not good for your development. Thank you so much. I hope this video is a big help for your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you will find the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 Design Thinking and Agile channel on the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.